I was amazed at the clarity with which I have been able to understand not just the various layers that constitute the client's problem, but also the specific strategies and techniques that I could use to work with each of these layers effectively.
As a psychotherapist, probably the best way to define CHP is as a truly eclectic approach to psychotherapy that uses hypnosis as a thread who seamlessly integrates the best from cognitive, behavioral, humanistic, and psychodynamic approaches.
The cognitive hypnotic psychotherapy approach helps by clearly assessing the different layers that lie beneath the client's presenting issue, be it lack of clarity, conditioned, unhelpful, or dysfunctional behaviors, the ongoing thoughts or feelings that are driving these behaviors, the underlying beliefs, values, or positive intentions, and E1, traumatic experiences, suppressed emotions, or a series of past memories, including the one that may have been repressed. This has really made my work as a practitioner a lot more structured.
The thing that really works for cognitive hypnotic psychotherapy is the fact that it is so structured yet so flexible. It is almost impossible for me to describe how an approach to therapy could be so flexible yet literally provide you with step-by-step clarity onto how to deal with your clients.
On top of this, the cognitive hypnotic psychotherapy approach recognizes that the client is not able to consciously influence these layers all the time. Often these layers operate at the level of unconscious. So, the cognitive hypnotic psychotherapy treatment plan includes clearly defined techniques that work on each of these layers systematically, both at the level of conscious and unconscious.
So what's incredible about this course is the way the NLP practitioner and master practitioner programs integrate a variety of techniques. So be it metaphors and language patterns from the classical school of NLP or CBT and mindfulness, this integrated approach is suitable for any therapist out there. In fact, I myself was trained in hypnotherapy and NLP as a professional counselor before I joined the iCharts course. What I realized was this course allowed me to apply some of the techniques I already knew in a very targeted manner with clients to achieve an even greater, more optimum outcome with them.
Once you incorporate this approach into your practice, you are able to work with each of these layers one at a time, and at the same time, you would also be able to deal with multiple layers simultaneously. The most amazing thing about this approach is the speed at which I see clients experience what I can only describe as transformations.
Learning about what hypnosis is and how it influences our thoughts and our behaviors has completely changed the way I look at almost everything from our daily interactions to therapies.
Regardless of the modality you use, regardless of the psychotherapy approach that you might be currently using, the framework that you learn in this course is one that is very easy to use and understand as a practitioner. But here's the good thing, it's also easy to use and understand for your clients so that you as a practitioner and your clients can go on this journey together.
I have done the course and I have literally seen and witnessed my clients experiencing this 360-degree change in how they feel, think or behave, in what they might believe in. And I really can't describe in words how powerful this approach to therapy is.